I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. Hope you had a great weekend. We are starting this work week off with dry conditions across central Indiana. We will see partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the day today and a high temperature of 26 degrees. That is 11 degrees, though, well below normal. As far as tomorrow, that's when things get interesting here across central Indiana. The National Weather Service has already issued a winter storm watch for the northern 2/3 of the state, and this is for significant snowfall that'll be moving in. Down to the south, the watch is not in effect, but you too will likely at some point tomorrow, I think, get put under a winter weather advisory because you will see some precipitation. Now, for the evening commute today, no problems at all. For your Tuesday morning commute, no problems there either. As we get into Tuesday evening, though, we are expecting slick spots on the roadways with about 1 inch of snow possible for the evening commute. But shortly after the commute winds up, I think that's when the heavier snow will start to move in. It becomes heavy into Wednesday morning, and it mixes in with some precipitation in the form of sleet and freezing rain to the south. But any way you look at it, Wednesday morning's commute, I think, is going to be by far the worst one, simply because roads will be snow covered and slick. This is a mainly snow event from Indianapolis to the north. Indianapolis kind of on the border, I think, of all snow and mixing with a little precipitation in the form of sleet and freezing rain. But down to the south, certainly there will be that wintry mix that'll develop. So here's how it all plays out on TrueCast. As we go throughout the afternoon hours, that snow will overspread the area. Becomes heavy at times, say between about 8 p.m. and midnight for just about everybody. But once we get closer to the midnight hour, you notice the pink starting to show up on TrueCast. That is the mixed precipitation, and this mixed precipitation does make its way north throughout the overnight hours as some warmer air starts to move in. And then on the backside of this storm system, as it starts to pull away, we'll get another push of what we'll call moderate snowfall across a good portion of the area. So as far as potential snowfall, 5 to 9 inches north of Indianapolis, with the 9 number being the further north you go. I would say that's probably tipped in over to Anderson, probably closer to maybe 6 inches here in the metro area. But once we get south of Indianapolis, 2 to 5 inches of snow. And again, one of the things we will have to keep an eye on is the potential for some significant icing in southern locations as that mixed precipitation moved in. Again, those snowfall totals for Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. Behind this storm system, we bring in much colder air once again, highs in the teens Thursday and Friday, with low temperatures in the single digits and potentially below zero Friday morning, and then more light snow forecast for the weekend.